Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Off-Road's quarter panel guards for Jeep's 2018 to current JL Wrangler. Step 1. With a paint-safe cleaner and cleaning cloth, clean the quarter panel area free of any dust, dirt, and debris. Step 2. Ensure there is a clear place for the part and peel the red backings off of the adhesive strips. Step 3. Slide the guard over the panel and press firmly against the adhesive face, ensuring it's secure. Repeat on the opposite side. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road JL quarter panel guards.